Oh, here comes the rain, girls. If you can see it out the door there, but usually how it comes straight up the valley. I was trying to hurry and get my chores done before it rained, get back inside, but well, that didn't happen. Everybody got fed though. That's the important thing. Got a little hay, they got their grain. The horses will probably stand out here and eating their hay and the grain no matter what, because that's horses. That's how horses work. Hi. How are you, Coco? Mr. Minty, why did you pull that down? Oh my gosh. That's quite... Are you guys okay in here? I think you will be. You might get a few raindrops, but you should be alright. You guys should be fine back here. Hi, Gladys. How are you, sweetie? Oh, you're such a good little girl. Yeah. What's the matter there, big fella? Are you getting a little spray on you? Oh, you had to go pee. Okay. Paint your face, get your cologne on. I have 2-foot overhangs on this shed, so it helps to keep the rain and snow and stuff away from the wind, away from the doors. Makes it easier to work, especially on days like today when it's raining. That tree's not very far away, and it's really coming down. Pretty nice little roast. Oh. You girls can eat hay. Nothing else that washes, the rain washes the dust off my solar panels. Mr. Minty, you are such a handsome man. All perfumed and shiny and pretty, your hair all sticking up and your big beard. Oh, you are just the height of fashion, aren't you? Yes, you are. And I love the little tail in there too. What do you think, Blondie? Coco, what's she doing? You got your tail all curled up. Are you having a good time? Oh, I see what I need to do. Why do you girls do that? Why do you poop in your water? Then I gotta go clean it. Little girls. It was probably Mr. Minty. Such sweeties. Such sweeties. Did you get a drink there, miss? Did you get drinks? Oh, you're a good little goat, aren't you? You are. So are you. Did you eat and now you're ready for playtime? Oh, you gotta get a drink? Well, I want to thank everybody for watching, and I want to thank people for the likes and the comments. Those are things that help build my channel. And if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button. And we will talk with you tomorrow. Right, Penny? Have a good night.